welcome back. Today we are discuss about CPA. CPA financial accounting examination process. Just for level and general objective learning outcomes and content. Introduction to accounting. Everything we are going to discuss. See CPA for financial accounting is section one. General objective. This paper is intended to equip the candidate with knowledge, skills, and attitude that will enable him or she to prepare financial statements for different entities. A learning outcomes, if you see a candidate who passes this paper should be able to paper books of original entry and basic ledger and accounts under double entry system. Prepare basic financial statements of sole traders, partnerships, companies, manufacturing entities, and not-for-profit organizations. Complete with the regulatory framework in the accounting field. Account for assets and liabilities. Analyze financial statements by use of ratio statements of cash flows. If you see the content, introduction to accounting, the nature and purpose of accounting, objectives of accounting. Users of accounting information in the respective needs, accounting equation. Regulatory framework of accounting, regulatory bodies such as ICPAK, IFSC, IASB, IPSASB, IAESB. Accounting standards, IAS or IFRS, importance and limitations. Professional ethics, accounting concepts and principles, quality of useful accounting information. And coming to recording transactions for source of documents, quotations, purchase orders, statement of account, remittance advice, receipts, petty cash vouchers, sales and purchase no invoice, credit notes and debit notes, bank statements. Book of original entry, if you see sales journal, purchase journal, returns invoice journal, returns outward journal, cash book, petty cash and general. Double entry under the ledger, use of T accounts and double entry aspects, debit and credit, sales ledger and purchase ledger, the trial balance, computerized accounting system, role of computers, application and the accounting software and the accounting process, benefits and challenges of the operated computerized accounting systems. And next one, accounting of assets and liabilities. It's very important. Assets, if you see assets, property, plant and equipment, regular recognition, capital and revenue. Expenditure, measurement and measurement means here depreciation and revaluation. And next one, disposable and disclosures, property, plant and equipment, schedule. Intangible assets, if you see, recognition, measurement, amortization, impairment and revaluation. Next one, disposable and disclosures. And coming to financial assets, examples and risks only. Inventory, recognition, measurement and valuation using specific cost method, FIFO and weighted average cost only. Trade, receivables, debit, bad debits and allowance for the doubtful debits and receivable control accounts. Accrued income and prepaid expenses. Cash at bank, cash book and bank reconciliation statement, cash in hand, cash book and petty cash books. Coming to liabilities now, bank overdraft, cash book and book reconciliation statement, trade payables, control accounts, loans, accounting treatment of repayment of principals and interest prepaid, incomes and accrued expenses. And next one, correction of errors and suspense account. In this one, financial account statements of a sole trader. First one is income statement, statement of financial position, and next one is financial statement of partnership agreement, introduction to partnership accounts, distinction between current and fixed capital, income statement of financial account position, changes in partnership, admission of a new partner, retirement and death and change in profit sharing ratio. Coming to next one, financial statements of a company, types of share capital, like ordinary shares and preference shares, issues of shares, exclusive, exclude issue by installment, forfeiture, types of reserves, share premium, reserve evaluation reserve, general reserves, and retained profits. Next one, income tax, accounting, retreatment, and presentation, exclude computation. Financial accounts, financial statements, income statement, statement of financial position, public financial statements like describe a, you know in examination they are asked describe a complete set of published financial statements but not preparation. And next we are going to jump in financial statement of a manufacturing entity. Featuring of a manufacturing entity, classification, apportioning cost between manufacturing, selling, administration, financial statement, if I see financial statement, manufacturing account, income statement, and statement of financial accounting. Uh, and if I see the accounts incomplete records features like types of incomplete records, pure single entry, single entry, quasi single entry, ascertainment like of profit by capital comparison, preparation of statements of affairs, and profit determination. Techniques of obtaining complete accounting information. And next one, financial statement of not for a profit organization. Distinction between not for a profit making organization, profit making organization. Nature of receipts and payments accounting, treatment of some special items, income and expenditure account, statement of financial position. And next one, analysis financial statements, statement of cash flows, like categories of cash, methods of preparing statements of cash flows, and the importance. Financial ratios, definition, categories, analysis and interpretation, appreciation and limitations. And next one, introduction to, if I see, uh, financial accounting, this is the last one, introduction of public sector accounting. See, features of public sector entities, like if you see, as compared to private sector. National structure of the public sector, national and county governments, state corruptions, and other agencies. Regulatory structures oversight, IPSASB, PSASB, is established mandate and functions. Director of Accounting Services, National Treasury, Parliamentary Committees. Accounting offers accounting officers a national and county levels. Object of public sector and financial statements. Objectives of IPSCS. Accounting technique in public sector like budgeting, cash, accrual, commitment, and fund. Preparation of financial statement excluded. Emerging issues and trends also. So this is about financial accounting. All this will be covered. So you have to be work on it and more also. It just a little bit of for examination for anything. Just you have to cover it more and more. And next video will be about business law. Don't forget to watch the video.